Happy Tuesday to you. It's August 9th. Since it is a Tuesday, you can find all my work at MLB DFS Weather.com and follow that same Twitter handle for updates as we go through the day. Full slate of games. One strange afternoon game in Colorado at 3:10 p.m. Not sure exactly what the idea or philosophy behind that game is. But we do have some weather to watch. The biggest threat looks to be Pittsburgh. I have a 30% delay chance. This is an 8 p.m. simulated radar. If this radar is taken correctly, we have some rain that should be around for a scheduled first pitch, and then it's out of there for the rest of the evening with just a few scattered stuff to their north and northwest. Um, it certainly doesn't look like a postponement threat, but like I said, delayed threat possible, delayed start threat possible. The timing of this is 100% accurate. The delayed start may be the way to go. Other locations that we seem to have some weather issues, DC, most of the activity should be off to the north, not too worried there. And Kansas City and St. Louis, widely scattered stuff. Here's Kansas City, there's St. Louis. You can see pretty innocuous, very harmless, really. We'll have to keep an eye on the radar, as I always do as we go through the afternoon and evening, but it doesn't look like a big deal. So, knowing that, we go to locations that are good for hitters and etc. Vice versa, I mean. So we get Colorado, we got Washington, Minnesota. Actually, I'm looking at the air density. That doesn't take into consideration the wind. I got Colorado, Boston, and the Cubbies as games I really like. Obviously, Colorado self-explanatory. New York and Boston, New York at Boston and L.A. Angels at the Chicago Cubs, or I forget their names of the Angels, the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. I have its air density is 7, but the wind is blowing out in both locations, and as we know, both Wrigley Field and Fenway Park can be pretty well hitters' havens if the wind is blowing out, so that's why I like them. On the other hand, we have for pitchers parks that may help out the pitchers. I got Seattle, Miami, and Oakland. Seattle and Miami will both be played indoors today with the retractable roofs closed, and Oakland is obvious because it's chilly. Even though the wind's blowing out almost all the time, the air density is very high, and a battered ball does not carry very far. Um, like I said, I'll continue to watch the radars, and another small threat we have is Minnesota too. Very small chance of thunderstorms. Don't see an issue there. I didn't even write that up in my forecast analysis, and honestly, I may not have to write up DC either. But Pittsburgh, St. Louis, Kansas City are places I'll be watching as we get closer to game time. Have a good Tuesday. Thanks. Bye.